So welcome guys, thanks for being here. Another day with gold. Today we got some high impact news. For that reason, we start later. So well, high volatility. We continue with the high volatility. So please be clear of that. What means high volatility? That means reduce the lot size, reduce the using the lot size according your account. That's pretty important. Okay, so be clear of that, guys, please. Awaiting the retracement for open the long position, so everyone be ready. Ready because probably we will start early today. Yesterday we did a good long position for Tokyo session. Was pretty good. So let's be ready. Retracement. Let's wait this 1 minute. Okay. So let's be ready. We will open the loan. Remember, if you don't share the opinion, if you don't like the entry, um, don't take it. Simple as that. Pretty simple. So well, we'll open the positions now. $51, $41. Be a good options. Position it's open there. Good. Okay, 51, 50, 51, 41. Okay, good there. Be a good point. Better point here. The 38. Excellent. $31. Okay. 93. Mm-hmm. 51, 26. 51.26 is the stop. Six. 51. 26. Stand could be 51. 65. Okay, the position it's open. TP1, 51, 53. 52. Mm, 65. Full game. 51. position. TPS working into a TPS. 51, 59, 52. The next one is 51, 71. 70, it's better. 3. 50. Y aquí sería 85. Entonces, okay, let's see. Good reaction. Good reaction there. And you need to change the DP3. 51.67. 51.67. That 50. OTP. It's the 51.81. So let's see, guys. Looking good. It's looking good. Probably some people get a better point of entry than me. Almost there. Almost there. Trying to continue. Let's see this 5 minutes. almost TP1. Three minutes. Important, 3 minutes. Almost 100 pips in positive. Now, this is the last 2 minutes. Going to reduce a little the entry to the live account. This is for the text. Cast the feeble. But is the what is the feeble? That's the entry. Well, let's continue here. Okay, TP1, it's almost there. TP1 gold. TP1, it's now. TP1, it's now, guys. TP1, it's now. Let me do the important account. Let me take the partial. Partials, and I'm going to be in full B. Full B and TP2. No, almost there. So, well, guys, 150 pips with no too much issues. Going to be impartial. Full B. Full B. Share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. Let's go for the TP2. Almost TP2. Share your profits. Share your profits, guys. TP2, it's now. TP2, it's now. TP2, it's now. TP2, it's now. I take almost the 50% of the entry. Change to here. Okay. My TP modify. Perfect. Record. Remember, I'm using the live account and I'm using the account here. Almost $300 in positive. So that's great. It's pretty good. That looks so big. But well, we continue there. That's it. So, well, guys, share your profits. Share your profits. Share your profits at this point. Share your profits at this point. I'm going to take the partial here. Partial could be 30. And try to wait here. Okay, that's it. Let me read the comments here. Remember, if you want to receive the information with no delay, the information instantly when I open the trades, just go into the Telegram. The Telegram access is $169. $169 lifetime subscription. Daniel, mi amigo, tomó parciales y mantengo en B, ¿verdad? Recuerden estar en B. Partials on B, guys. Partials on B. We already did 172 pips. According to your experience, if you feel the pressure, it's totally valid. If you close the trade, it's totally valid. If you take the 50% of the account, 90% of the account. Why? Because it's more than 100 pips. Okay? So be clear of that, guys. Be clear of that. Reactions. Let's see. And let me read here the chat. Risk-free trade, exactly. We're in break even. Daisy, Daisy Hoa. Daisy Hoa called the stop loss. Where is Daisy Hoa right now? Where is Daisy Hoa? And beam, perfect. Seeing I didn't get this sign. Just try go to the full TP. Beautiful. How are you? Okay. Let me see. Okay, Pikachu Gaming, $120. Like that's beautiful. Trust, $12. That's great. I got your back, brother. $12. Beautiful. Uh, Drasasmita, $50. Life, $149. That's beautiful, my friend. Good job. Jesus, thanks, a pleasure as usual, my friend. Thanks to you for your support. A thief, $20. $50 for meet me. $68 in a prop challenge. That's beautiful, my friend. Again, remember, guys, if you want to be part of the community to the proper match, just go into the propermatch.com. There you will see what is the best options and the best discounts according to what you are looking for, according to what, according to your money, according to your wallet, different prices and many options there. So just go into the proper match. I will share the information into the chat or into the description. You can find the information there, guys. Okay, so please be clear of that and make me a favor. Click into the link for the proper match. Okay, prop firm life $180. That's great. $54. Great. TP2 for Popa, $110. Beautiful. $46 Moises for a prop firm. That's great. Around $50. UFC fights. Thanks, my friend, for your support. Full TP incoming, guys. Remember, for that reason, I take the partials and set the Bs. You know, because at this moment we will see 100 pips in 1 minute, but the next minute we can see another 200 pips against us. So please be clear of that. For that reason, we're doing partials and we set the break even, guys. We did 172 pips. It's too much. Okay, so be clear of that. Your UFC fights, $165, $52, running $70 for Chung Lee, $20 for CHR, Mr. Mr. B Tommy, $510. That's beautiful. Trade Karke, $20. That's great. And okay, $75 for Suhail. Beautiful. Can I enter again? No, guys. If the price lose this point, the TP1, the TP2, sorry, if the price lose the TP2, that means the sell zone will be controlled right now. Okay. So for that reason, take care of that. I'm trying to do not re-entry. I'm still holding this. The other position, I'm pretty sure it's already done. I know it's there. It's almost there in my beam. So I will hold the 5145. This is for. Let's see. But well, let's continue here. Remember, you need to follow the instructions, guys. You need to follow the instructions for Tiwari, $40. Beautiful. I can lapse 44 $24. Great. Uh, Daniel Jimenez, mi amigo, $55. Beautiful. That's great. Okay, my main position was taken. Now we'll hold this in break even or see what happened. This is the funded account. Now for now, mm, trust my friend. If you B is break even. B is break even. I trade always without the stop loss. 19, it's safe to do that. Sometimes the stop loss is over 254. I don't recommend the to don't use stop loss, guys. It's that's a joke, you know. And hopefully that's a joke because stop loss will reduce your because trading is not a happy place, and we can see a really bad surprise. So it depends for your experience. But yes, trade with a stop loss is not a it's not an option, guys. It's not an option. Try to be clear of that. It's pretty difficult. Um, Sometimes it's not the best option. Okay, guys. So good session. 172 pips. The other session was for 218 pips. So that's great. Two entries for the um, for the people into the Telegram. Hopefully, many people there enjoy the position. So that's great. That's pretty good. Mhm. We can try a sell position because the we need to wait the next hour for clarify what zone is going to uh, be be active because the sell zone is here in 51.58 and the buy zone is here in 51.45. So let's see what happened. Let's see what we have. And well, remember the ones who wants to be into the Telegram for signals, receive the information on time, skip the noise of the chat, receive the orders on time for sure. Just go into the Telegram. It's the option. It's $169. Or the ones who wants to understand why I opened this trade. Discord is the other option for learn and understand the um, the um, the entries, guys. The entries, for example, here I came here. First, I share the sun. what I'm using right now. The point of interest 51.55. It looks like into the for the news, for the candle for the news, it tries to break, this sun here. Then I'm explaining here. We got this beautiful candle, massive candle reaction here into the buy sun. We wait the 0.5. The 0.5 was near to the 51.45. And for that reason, we open this position here, guys. 51.41. That's the information what I share into the Discord if you want to be part of the community, guys. Mhm. Mhm. So well, let's see. Um, just reading the bit. Yes, I'm still here into the B. Re-entry. Well, the point of entry is there, 51.41. But my profits early already, actually. That's great. Again, remember, always we need to use the break even the break even and the partials, guys, partials. Why? Because nowadays we're not in positions to hold long term if we don't have the enough money. If we don't have enough money, what means for enough money? At least $50,000 for open a loan position and then hold the 1 year, for example. So, Martina, I know you're into the Discord and I know you're into the Telegram, dear. You know, you get the information. You can see the information first, always. For the ones who do the re-entry, guys, TP1 again. So try to take some partials, set your Bs. Please understand. Um, we are into the difficult conditions. Jack is here. Welcome, my friend. Thanks for being here. The timing was pretty good. Probably if I wait 1 or 2 minutes more, probably we wait a better position. But well, that retracement help us to many people open the trade and get the profit here. So that's beautiful and that's great. Okay. So well, if you want to be part of the community again, it's at $169. $169 lifetime subscription. Okay, the position is taken. So that's all of the position, guys. Okay, the position is taken there. Let me take the trades here. Sure, it's a buy position plus 172 pips. Great. Okay, so let me clarify the sums. Ok, no. Este sería este. Luego aquí sería esta. Esta ya no. That's awesome. Okay. Just 57. Aquí sería el 51.45. Ok. 51.45. Estaríamos hablando que sí que está manejando este. Mm. Ok. Estamos 51.45. Ujú. Ujú. So, well, guys, this is the two songs what we have at this point. So here we need to clarify something. Okay, what is the thing? What we need to clarify here? If well, let me explain it like this. If the buyers lose the 51.44, that would be our confirmation that the sell zone will continue and probably we will see lower prices. Okay, so we need to wait these 2 3 candles for clarify. Let's see what happened. Mhm. I will join after get the amount perfect, my friend. That's beautiful. The chart is in 15 minutes. Yes, it's in 15 minutes. Now we are seeing a fight, spikes for both sides. So let's see. Let's see. Let's go close the gap first. Be taking a low position. How do you find the volume sums? I use the volume indicator. The name is volume. Volume. If you want to learn, I have some videos into the Discord there. Do we have another trade, Larito? That's the thing I'm trying to clarify in the positions, guys. So well, again, as you can see, guys, the reaction is still there into the 0.5. Uh, So that's great. Well, that's not that good for our intentions, to be honest, because if we want to open a long position again, we need some months to try this sun and everything. So well, let's see. Bro, I made $12 with you, and now I'm thinking about what color Bugatti I would buy. Perfect, my friend. You have many years, my friend. You are doing a pretty good job. 16, 16. I remember my one of my oldest moods into the channel. It's a Graham, and he was in a 16 years old when he started with me. Now he's doing withdrawals with prop firms and everything. Of course, he uh, he he has the money for apply for a massive account, a real account or broker. So for the reason he starts with the prop firm, so that's great. And he nowadays he's um he's doing withdrawals with a prop firm, so that's beautiful. That's that's made me so happy. Uh, Doing is doing exactly. That's beautiful. And again, um, many years. I remember when I was in a 16, and just partying. That's all, like partying with my friends. 18 party, 20s party, 23, 24 party, um, 25 partying, and I started forex, but still with the party. But before after the 25 years old, it's like a year going to the bar. You feel like, okay, I feel old. Nowadays I'm 31 years old, and I feel like if I go to a bar, I feel like what happened, you know, or a club, for a club, for a bar. Nowadays I'm going to the bar or a pubs or something like this here in my country, and I feel okay because it's chill. Stay there with a beer, and that's all. But if I want to go to a club, I feel like, okay, I'm pretty old. I'm really really old. But it's a beautiful age, when you are a teenager, focus in trading. I think it's the best age. Many people here come to the streaming and see with their daughters, with their sons and everything. So that's great, to teach them a really good profession. It's difficult, it's really difficult. Um, but trading will teach them, the patience, you know, the patience. The patience is something what many people don't have, Nowadays, I remember when I was young, if I, I'm compared with my daughter. With my daughter, nowadays, if she is seeing something in the screen, she just told me like, I want to change it, and I change it. And he continued the series and everything. I remember when we were young, uh, if we want to continue seeing something, we need to wait one day at least, 24 hours for see the same thing and the same schedule. Nowadays, it's just like you can receive all the information instantly, and that's all. Like with no patience, just the tolerance for the time. It's pretty different nowadays than 20 years ago. So, it's something um, like in like you need to understand trading is pure patience. That's all. Well, we try to show us guys if we have the patience, we everything is going to be okay. Sometimes it's it's difficult. Sometimes it's difficult, but if we have the patience, everything is going to work perfectly. Vamos a ver, Carolina. Sí, Carolina. Pero está dentro de Discord. Tengo la información dentro de Discord. Igual, si quiere, hay varios videos gratuitos dentro del canal explicando la estrategia, pero están en inglés. Ahí pueden igual ver subtítulos sin problema. Pero sí la explico brevemente en los últimos videos que tengo dentro del canal, por si estás interesado igual. Eh, Ahí están las opciones. How to become smart on the chats. Any secrets to share, please? How to become so smart on to the chats, to the charts. My friend from Boston wants a beer. I think Boston probably is pretty cool for a beer right now. Yes, exactly, Lewis. Exactly. As you get older, what you thought was old becomes young. Correct. I'm already 34. Mom is just recently disabled, so I'm going to do this to get extra income for here. Good luck, my friend Chunk. That's the real motivation, not the money. Just get some extra time for help your family or whatever. That's a must to have your the motivation. It's like this. Well, good luck, my friend. All my best wishes for you. I work 6 hours per basic living, learning and trying forex per firm, upgrading my life. Middle forex, that's the idea. That's the idea. And the prop firms will help you too much when you are starting. Some people don't like it. Some people don't like it. Um, and well, it's part of the process. It's part of the process. Well, this is the reality. But many people wants to be a trader, in 2 months or something like this. And unfortunately, it's not that easy. You know. And well, for the prop firms, guys, remember if you want to follow the process and be a funded trader, and the prop firm will teach you the consistency and the consistency rules. If you are in that consistency there, probably you will not pass the challenge. Or basically a simple rule to use stop loss, a prop firm will teach you many things, guys. So I recommend, if you want to test the experience, the um, the prop firm match option is there. Remember, Profit Match is a website dedicated to rate the most important and the most trustable prop firm companies into the market. So just go there. The link is into the description, and the link is into the chat. There you will find, of course, a really good options for discounts, um, many options and different options for the prop firms. Okay, guys. So just be clear of that, and make me a favor and click into the link. What is the prop firm? What are the prop firms, my friend? I already shared the link into the chat. Fortunately, when you are 25, you think that you're old. Yes, when I went 25, I was pretty old. I feel pretty old, guys. Guys, as you can see, the price is respecting our point 51.44. Unfortunately, the point what we choose was taken, but that was a beautiful point, and the reaction was pretty good. So, well, still waiting. Remember, I'm waiting the 1 hour candle close. Okay, I'm waiting the 1 hour candle close. Estoy esperando que la vela en 1 hora se, se cierre. Okay, entonces sean pacientes. Are you gonna trade? No, my friend. I'm waiting the 1 hour. Again, waiting the 1 hour. That's what we are talking about. Patience. Patience. Very cold and still snow. Yes, probably looks. I can imagine. Well, I know this snow. I know this snow, but I don't like it. I know probably the place was not the best to know this snow. It was in Nebraska. Nebraska in the United States. I think it's the worst state in the United States. So, so yes. Joe, literally, your story looks so simple to trade. Yes, it's very simple. It's based in patience, and that's all, guys. As you can see, the price again, and the sell zone is trying to break the point again. Thanks, my friend. Choose smart. Thanks for that. Certainly, that's the idea, my friend. That's the idea, to help everyone here. Again, it's difficult, It's difficult because sometimes we will lose money. Sometimes we will win money. But I will try it, and I will apply all my knowledge to provide everyone here the best entry what I can. But sometimes it's not enough. Again, the market conditions, it's like this. We are using high stop loss at this point. Even the high stop loss looking like so small. Sometimes in 1 minute it did 150 pips, and it's looking like nothing. But well, it's the conditions what we have. That's the conditions what we have. So well, this is the reactions what we have. Thanks God for Donald Trump. Well, ya se la perdió Kareli, exacto, ya se la perdió. Ya hicimos una, vamos a intentar hacer otra, a ver qué pasa. Ahorita no entiendo muy bien cómo analizas los charts, dónde tienes la compra y la venta. Bueno, la compra es el verde y la venta es el rojo. Manuel. Eh, sí, al menos creo que esa fue la pregunta de Manuel. Ah, hola, gente, te sigo desde Argentina. Gracias, mi amigo. Soy de Santiago. Soy Santiago. Por lo general, New York Session estoy en vivo. Cuando empiece en New York, ahí es cuando empiezo. But after you pass the challenge, they basically phone you. Yes, they will phone you. Of course, with some rules, right? Some companies are really strict, and some companies are a little more chill, more chill than the others. If buy some still valid, that's what we are looking for. Está acuñando una cuña alcista, puede ser, puede ser. Uh, okay. Exactly. You receive an account and then you have a percentage. For example, by my side, it's around the 25% by my side. But the other normal accounts, it's around 5%. Sorry, by my side, it's the 90%. For other accounts, it could be the 80%, the 75% of the withdrawal. It depends of the company. En adelante, son fin de exactamente. Bueno, hay los que tienen horario de Argentina y son más antiguos y pueden ayudar a Santiago, perfecto. Recuerden que yo estoy en Costa Rica y las horas son diferentes, ¿verdad? Por eso siempre digo como New York Session o Tokyo Session, algo así, para que busquen cuando es New York Session en su país y cuando es, o sea, todos empezamos a la misma hora, digamos. Pero tienen que ver eso. YouTube is not giving notifications when you are live, so I set up. Remember, my phone missed two session because of that. Rick Chen, it depends. Sometimes YouTube don't give you the notifications. It depends of how much channels are you following and how much channels you have the notifications. It depends of YouTube. It's not by my side. If going to be by my side, for sure I'm going to send the notification for my 84,000 subscribers for sure. But YouTube, it depends of that, you know. So if you want to be clear, just go uh into the channel, active notifications, and probably YouTube will inform you when it going to open it, guys. It's range or it's not valid here. We are waiting, guys. We are waiting. We're waiting to the 1 hour candle ends, and let's see what happened. Okay. Si llega a las 51.33, podríamos comprar. Depende. Si llega, obviamente, si los 51.33, sí podríamos comprar, pero bueno, eso va a depender de las próximas candelas. A ver cómo quedamos. We could be have been. We already did the long position, and it was for 172 pips. So unpredictable today. Yes, looks this spikes for both sides, guys. Spikes for sellers, spikes for buyers. So, so yes, that's a difficult position now. So, well, remember, if you want to be part of the community, just contact back to by WhatsApp. It's a lifetime subscription for $169, guys. Be clear of that. It's not for free. I need to add the pips here for 5. And this is for 318. 318 más 172, 490. So, well, this is how it looks like our first week into this for today. We did 5 trades, 4 in gold, 1 in Nasdaq. The Nasdaq was a beautiful full take profit for 177 pips. For gold, it was sell position. That was our first trade for 147 pips in negative. But that sell zone was beautiful. The sell zone here in Tokyo was beautiful because it did around 8,000 pips in positive. Unfortunately, we touched the stop for 2-3 pips. We touched that stop. Then yesterday was a buy position for 118 pips. That's beautiful. Yesterday again, sell position for 247 pips in positive. Today for um 172 pips in positive. So in total, around 800 pips. 800 pips. Let's see. See, around 800 pips in positive in 1 week. So that's great. Are you expecting that much from Tokyo? I always expect much for both sessions, for Tokyo and New York session, but it depends for what we're looking for. So, so yes, it depends of that, guys. So well, the 1 hour candle probably will end in a doji. Now we're seeing a doji. So so I'm going to it and back, okay? I'm going to it and come back. Stay there and try to be patient. Try to be patient. and let's see what happened. Okay, so I'll be back in 50 minutes, so stay there, and I'll be back. Okay. So, well, guys, at this moment we have this. I don't know. I don't know. I want to. I don't know how to say this. This is a consolidation. Well, not too much to do. So let's wait this candle for see what happened, and if we can find something good. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Rotation tiene potencial a 5K. Sí, tal vez. But well, guys, to be honest, I don't like this type of a structure at this point when it spikes. Um, Not clear if it's going to defend the sell zone or if it's going to defend the buy zone. So for that reason, I'm going to come back this Tokyo session, guys. Congratulations for the ones who did a really good profit today. 172 pips in positive for today. Long position in Tokyo for 218 pips, guys. So let's take a break. I'm going to finish the session today early. Thanks God, finally. Short session. That's make me happy, to be honest. Better to skip it, yes. Why skip it? Because I don't like this structure. As simple as that, guys. Many spikes with no sense for clarifying what is the position now. So better to stay away. I'll be back for the people into the Telegram in Tokyo session. I'm back here for New York session, guys. Okay. So at this moment, the structure, guys, thanks God, we got a really good position, a really good profit, and everything. But the spikes, it's not working good, guys. So my strategy looks like this at this point. Um, if the price don't break the 51.44, it's not possible, or the retest here. So I don't like it. I know this is structure, and I know if we take a position near to those points, probably we will lose some money. So it's better to stay away. Let's stay there. Relax, guys. Don't take unnecessary risk for trading, guys. Okay. So thanks for the support. Thanks for everything, guys. I really appreciate the Let's see. See you on. Thanks for. I'm missing this obscure structure. Yes, looks like something will happen. Looks like something will happen, and I don't want to know what is going to happen. And that's my feeling at this point. So remember, if you want to be part of the community, it's $169. By WhatsApp is the option for contact me by WhatsApp. It's $169 for receive more entries signals by Telegram, there is the option. If you want to be part of the community of Cellium, that is the other option too. Muchas gracias por otro día de trading, Pablo. Un placer y pura vida, mi amigo. Bueno, verlo por aquí. Y bueno, see you soon, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the dislikes. Remember, always focus on me. If you are angry, focus on me. If you are happy, focus on you. But always, always try to focus all these situations by my side, because I'm the only one who always come back. Okay, guys. Thanks for being a really good chat today. Really nice people today. I appreciate that. See you soon, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for that. I didn't catch that. Are you trying to trade between range? That's the thing. What I don't want to trade between range. That's the thing what I want to avoid. Okay. I complete the 2 entries for today into the Telegram community, so that's my deal. 2 profits, 5 trades at this point, and that's great. That's make me happy. My friend from Boston, see you soon. See you tomorrow. Take care, guys, and remember, the Telegram and the Discord is not for free. Okay, Fat is here too. See you soon. God bless everyone here. Let's expect better conditions tomorrow. Let's expect um, better conditions around the world. Pray for the people who are suffering. And well, see you soon, guys, and thanks for the support. Okay.